Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gummy bears from fruit. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: fresh fruit, unflavored gelatin, and a touch of sweetener. The process involves preparing your fruit, gently heating it with gelatin, and then letting your creation set. It's a fun and rewarding way to enjoy a healthier treat, and the steps are quite straightforward for anyone to follow at home. To begin, choose about 1 cup of your favorite ripe fruit. Berries, mango, or pineapple work wonderfully. Blend the fruit until it's completely smooth, then strain the puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or seeds. This step is crucial for a smooth, gummy texture. You'll need approximately 1/2 cup of this vibrant, strained fruit juice for the next stage. Now let's combine everything. First, bloom 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in a small amount of cold water for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, gently warm your 1/2 cup of strained fruit juice in a saucepan over low heat, being careful not to boil it. Add the bloomed gelatin to the warm juice, stirring continuously until it's completely dissolved. Finally, mix in 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener. With your mixture ready, carefully pour it into your desired silicone gummy molds. Small droppers can be very helpful for this step. Once filled, place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until the gummies are completely firm. Once set, gently pop your homemade fruit gummy bears out of their molds. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge to maintain their freshness and chewiness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.